Okay, how to create a new user account in OS X Tiger and how to restrict that user. First thing you do from your main administrator account on Mac OS X is to open up System Preferences, click on Accounts, and you want to make sure that you're in edit mode, so if the padlock is locked at the bottom of the Accounts window, go ahead and unlock it. Type in your administrator password and it will give you full access. And if you want to create a new user, you just come to the bottom here, click on the plus button, give a name to the user, give them their Unix short name, which can be the same as the name, but it just will be one word without spaces. Give them a password. You can add a password hint. You don't want to give them administrator privileges because we're creating a restricted account, one using parental controls, even if you're not the person's parent. And once the user account is created, it is selected on the left, so you want to come over here to parental controls, and you want to turn on controls for the Finder and the system and configure. And you want to allow the person initially to have access to everything and allow supporting programs, burn, change password. You don't want to mess with this right here. This user can only use these applications. Just leave that unchecked. Click OK. Quit out. And now you're going to log out of your administrator account. You're going to log into that new user account you just created and modify the dock, for example, if you'd like. Take things out of the dock, put them in the dock, and once you're done that, log out of that person's account, go back into your administrator account. So let's assume that I've already done that. I'll go back to the main administrator account, and you would simply go back to Accounts, System Preference, you would select the user, and we'll see I have to re-authenticate here. Go to the Managed User, go to Parental Controls, and for example I can now configure Finder and System, and I can say I don't want this person to be able to modify the dock anymore. Click OK, close out System Account.